喊不进去，喊不进去的。不搞。就是你的身出来了。
我靠，狂风暴雨啊！我靠，这不得了哦！我靠，台风吗？这是，我靠！
不得了，不得了！
哇塞！我一会儿拍完得赶紧把窗户关上。这应该就是强对流天气吧？听这风声。
哎呦
！On the afternoon of March 15, meteorological departments in many places in Guangdong issued warnings. Due to the influence of severe convective weather, tornadoes are possible in Zhuhai, Zhongshan, Guangzhou Nansha, and other places. The Guangdong Meteorological Department reminded that thunderclouds have entered Guangdong. There will be local heavy rain in Guangdong at noon today, accompanied by strong convective weather such as thunderstorms of 8 to 10 degrees and local hail. Shenzhen recorded the first thunderstorm of the year. That afternoon, due to the squall line, severe thunderstorms occurred from west to east. Heavy to heavy rain fell throughout Shenzhen, and short-term strong winds of magnitude 9 to 11 occurred. The Shenzhen Meteorological Bureau has successively issued yellow warning signals for heavy rain, yellow warning signals for thunderstorms and strong winds, orange warning signals for heavy rain in various regions, and orange warning signals for thunderstorms and strong winds. From 14 o'clock to 16:45 on the 15th, the average rainfall in the city was 31.9 millimeters, and the maximum accumulated rainfall was 74.7 millimeters. The maximum one-hour rainfall of 73.9 millimeters occurred at Shadu Station on Bailing Road, Pingshan District. A total of 10 stations in the city recorded wind gusts above level 10. At 17:10 that day, Shenzhen canceled all warning signals for heavy rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds.
太大了。
It is known that the first Thunder Day in Shenzhen this year occurred 10 days later than the average first Thunder Day of March 5 and 21 days earlier than the first Thunder Day of April 5 in 2024. Recently, the National Climate Center announced that the sea temperature in the central and eastern equatorial Pacific has entered La Nina conditions. La Nina conditions are expected to last until March and will weaken to neutral in mid to late spring. Since December 2024, the cumulative rainfall at the base station in Shenzhen has reached 43.2 millimeters, which is 64.5% lower than the annual average, 121.7 millimeters. Looking back at the years since 1953, when La Nina conditions occurred from January to March, the years are 1976, 1989, 1996, 2001, 2006, 2008, 2009, 2012, and 2018. The head of the relevant department of the Shenzhen Meteorological Bureau said that in 2025, under the influence of La Nina conditions, Shenzhen's flood season weather will be complicated and changeable. It is expected that there will be less rainfall at the beginning and more rainfall at the end. The flood season will come earlier. The dragon boat water will be heavy and the rainstorm will be concentrated. The typhoon will hit earlier and the intensity will be strong.
哇，现在就在我头顶上，我的天啊！这云现在非常快的发展，然后再向我这里跑过来。
The head of the relevant department of the Shenzhen Meteorological Bureau said that in 2025, under the influence of La Nina conditions, Shenzhen's flood season weather will be complicated and changeable. It is expected that there will be less rainfall at the beginning and more rainfall at the end. The flood season will come earlier, the dragon boat water will be heavy, and the rainstorm will be concentrated. The typhoon will impact earlier, and the intensity will be strong. According to CCTV News, in terms of rainfall, the scope of heavy rain in the south has narrowed and the intensity has weakened. The Central Meteorological Observatory predicts that from today to tomorrow, there will still be heavy rain and cold weather in the northern part of North China, with moderate to heavy rain in some areas of southeastern Guangxi, most of Guangdong, eastern and southern Fujian, and Taiwan Island. Among them, there will be local heavy rain in central Guangdong and northern Taiwan Island. Some parts of southern Guangxi, southwest Guangdong, and other places will experience thunderstorms, strong winds, or hail above level 8. In addition, cold air will also cause strong winds in North China and other places. It is estimated that from today to tomorrow, there will be strong winds of 5 to 6 levels, with gusts of 7 to 8 levels in the eastern regions of northern Xinjiang, Hexi Gansu, central and western Tibet, central Inner Mongolia, Ningxia, northern Shaanxi, central Shaanxi, and northern Hebei. There will be strong winds of 7 to 8 levels and gusts of 9 levels in the northern and central waters of the Yellow Sea, most areas of the East China Sea, the Taiwan Strait, the seas east of Taiwan, the northern waters of the South China Sea, and the Baibu Gulf. The wind strength in the northeastern waters of the East China Sea can reach 9 strength and gusts of 10 strength.